Ang kapal.
Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. May fingerprints na agad eh. Punasan natin yan. Hindi pwede to. Oh, ayan. See? Hey guys! It's another day! And today, join me unbox and take a look at this new iPhone 12 Pro power adapter and the Earpods. Alam nyo ba? Syempre hindi pa. The box is now thinner compared to iPhone 11 Pro Max because Apple doesn't include the Earpods and charger anymore. Same with iPhone 12, no wall charger din. So you have to buy them separately. Bakit, Apple? Paki-explain please. Paki-explain 5 points. This gold iPhone has 128 terabytes, 128 gigabytes internal storage. Ingat na ingat po tayo para hindi magkaroon ng fingerprints sa frames. And there you go. There's a paper on it. 6.1 inches display. Ah yes, may home screen na. Syempre naset up ko na to sa store when I purchased this one yesterday.
Ang kapal.
Then on the left hand side, it's the same silent switch, silent mode off, then silent mode on. Next is the USB-C lightning cable. Then there's a SIM tool with one Apple sticker, instructions, and warranty info. Design-wise, at the back is matte gold. Ooh. It has more complex camera setup. Tatlo na mata niyan, huling-huli ka na, umamin ka na. What? And on the left-hand side, again, there's a silent switch, volume buttons, and SIM card tray. On the right-hand side, that's the power sleep wake button. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. May fingerprints na agad eh. Punasan natin yan. Hindi pwede to. Oh, ayan. See? But I like how shiny the frame is. Alam mo yon, lakas makasosyal, no? Pang Mondragon. At yung flat edge frames niya, ito yung stainless steel na, so it's heavier compared sa like iPhone 12, right? You know what I'm saying? Oh, ito, alam nyo ba? Oh, syempre hindi pa. Ito yung USB-C 20 watts power adapter for 1,190. O, diba? Ang mahal, ang mura. Sige, comment below. With cover. Then there's a warranty info and manual. Then, we have the Earpods lightning connector. Same price ng adapter, 1,190 pesos. With warranty info and manual. So yun guys, I also recorded this audio using this phone. At saan ko to binili? Well, dito sa The Loop at Uptown Mall in BGC. By the way guys, please disregard the price listed at the back. It's actually almost 65,000 pesos, less 5% if cash payment, or less 3% if paid with debit card. By the way, this is not sponsored by The Loop or Apple itself, okay? Beke naman, Apple. Oo, ano? Sige. To my old iPhone 6, hindi na dito carry mag-install ng ibang apps like Messenger and apps I use at work. Pero grabe, buhay ka pa rin. Iba ka talaga iPhone. Beke naman, Apple, ano? Oo.
Salamat sa serbisyo. It's been 4 years. It's been 4 years. Salamat. Salamat sa serbisyo.
That's it. Thanks for watching.